Belle, you missed the hole. As much as I love my dog, Belle loves when she goes to the beach to pee in the dog's holes. Or pee in the kids' holes. Thank you, Max. Thank you, Barney. The kids dig tunnels in the sand. Guess who's peeing in it? So we stay away from all kids until she's gone potty. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Hunter. What do you think, Wiley? Good job. Go potty, Max. Or you already went potty, sorry. Thank you. Who was here? So my tree area is blocked, not far into there. This is the car parking lot. This is the bench where we take pictures at. So I'm letting them go potty first. Good job, Max. And then we're gonna go for a walk. This is our de-stress free play. The fun part is I usually do de-stress free play. They'll take off running. Max is looking for something else to do. Oh, I'm gonna find a stick. Thank you, Max. And since he's being good, let's take, ow! Gentle. Thank you, much better. Thank you, Barney. Barney. Thank you, Belle. Good boy, Max. Get your ball. Thank you, Hunter. So because this is such an area where this is pretty much an entrance to the park from the parking lot, dog walkers park there. I have to keep an eye on that trail. Dogs coming up by that big tree there. And dogs coming up or down this hill right here. Thank you, Wiley. Thank you, Belle. Thank you, Hunter. So we'll walk up a little bit more. And we'll work on some recall. Ready? Let's go, you guys. There's a mop. There's a mop in the middle of the woods. Come on, Barney. We're gonna walk on. Has he got a ball, Wiley? Hunter, you're getting wet. Thank you, Hunter. Max is the only one I know of, and Belle is the only two actually that I know of that have gone poo. Hunter usually takes off to go poo. Hey, Wiley. Good boy. Ready? Thank you, Barney. Let's go, please. Good boy, Wiley. Left his ball, it left the ball alone. All right, Max. Thank you. Come on, Wiley. Good boy. Max, let's go, please. Thank you, Barney. Hunter. Now he's starting to feel like he has to go poo. He'll find a spot. Belle, let him potty. Thank you. Thank you, Max. Hey, Wiley. Thank you, Max. Hey, Wiley. Good, leave it, Wiley. Take it. Thank you, Max. Gentle. Go get your ball. Thank you, Wiley. Barney's going poo. Keep an eye out down my trails. Where's your ball? Thank you, Hunter. You're getting wet. You don't like it. Thank you, Belle. It's funny, I got videos of Belle and Blue. And Belle's like, I don't want to get wet, because Blue doesn't want to get wet. But if she's out here with her boyfriends, she'll get wet. You liar, you tricked me. Barney, stay close. I see you, Max. Hunter. Let's go up a little bit further. Now that they've gone poo, see how a little bit more active they are? Thank you, Wiley. Thank you, Belle. And all I gotta do is just keep my head on a swivel. Always looking ahead. I know there's a road up there. This is not way out in the middle of the woods. There's a field down there so dogs can run. They can smell and see each other. All these dogs that come out here know these trails real well. So if they know there's another dog somewhere and that they don't have good recall, they will come out and come say hi. It's about the owners keeping, or the walkers keeping their dogs focus on them and keeping them having fun with the group. And then we'll also get random people walking. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Max, we're gonna go. Thank you, Barney. Let's go. Walk a little bit further. Oh, stop. Belle, Hunter, come here. Come here. Barney, come here. Let me get your leash. Come on. This way. Come on, over here. Max, you got your ball? There's a dog coming down here. Come on. You saw him too, Belle? Barney, over here. Belle, Hunter, over here. Max, get your ball. Thank you. Belle, I see him. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Wiley. Hunter, you see him? Belle, stop. Good morning. Thank you, Wiley. What happened? Did you see the dog and you ignored it? Good job, Wiley. Come on, let's go back. Come on. Left. Wiley, let's go left first. Come on. I see him, Hunter. I see him, Wiley. Clear? It's clear. Thank you, Wiley. And I have a funny feeling I'm missing a ball. We're just going to go up a little bit further and then we're coming back down to go. Thank you, Max. Yep, I lost the ball somewhere. You guys lost my ball. Ready? Go play. Go run. This is my safe spot because I can't, that's a blind hill up there. It's a blind corner down there. I've only got so many escape routes. So if I let them play here, we can walk back sooner. Thank you, Hunter. Here they can go in the woods a little bit. Go ahead, go potty. And you're getting wet. So now I've got two ways for them to come up, for people to come up. And if I stay further down, my dogs are going to want to come down. Thank you, Barney. Thank you, Belle. Thank you, Hunter. Thank you, Wiley. Thank you, Max. Ready? Let's go, please. Oh, dirty dog. Wet, muddy dogs. Gotta love the rain. Thank you, Hunter. Thank you. I hear him, Max. Thank you, Belle. Thank you, Wiley. We're gonna go back, get some water, and then we'll do ball play. Bye, Max. I see you. Wiley. Staying close. Thank you, Hunter. Thank you, Barney. One, two, three. Hold on, Barney. Thank you, Belle. Max, let's go, please. Thank you, Max. You're so silly. I don't want to give up my ball. Bell. Out, please. Thank you. Good boy, Wiley. I know you want the ball. You lost the ball. All right, Max. Wiley. Thank you, Wiley. All right, let me get your leash. Thank you. Barney. Bell. Leash. Hunter. Good boy. Let's go get some water. Ready? Max. Let's go, please. So now we're going to walk back. Since my dogs are a little bit more tired, I put them all on leash and grab the leashes because dogs that come up to us are going to be frustrated. My camera is all blurry because of the rain. This is Scott with Second to No One Canine Life Coaching. Have a great day.